Somebody told me the other day that you can use Coca-Cola to take the buildup off your battery terminals. Today, we're going to see. It looks like it cleaned it pretty good already. What little bit I can see. Top it off. We are not a paid sponsor of Coca-Cola. You can't tell, but it is bubbling, doing something. And we'll just let it keep on bubbling. And once it quits bubbling, I'll take it out and we'll check it out. Holy cow. It's hard to tell because I didn't get a good video of it before, but oh, this thing is clean, boy. It's about as clean as you could ask. Well, I'd say yeah. I'd say it done a pretty good job. Especially if you're in a pinch. Buy you a Coca-Cola and pour it on there. I got a little Coke left. I'm going to pour it on the post here and scrub it. You can see all the copper here, all the whatever the finish is they put on here, it's worn off. The acid, the corrosion's eat it up. All this naked copper. But it's, I don't know about long term, but it's pretty clean. It'll last. Maybe it'll last for a while. So I'd say Coca-Cola for the win. There you go, guys. Coke done a good job at one. Like, subscribe. Appreciate it.